have been demonizing the wrong white crystal. Sugar hardens arteries. Salt is essential for life. When you restrict salt intake, your body enters a state of emergency conservation. Your kidneys panic and release hormones to hold on to sodium. These hormones constrict your blood vessels, which can actually raise your blood pressure. Your heart beats faster, and your body raises insulin levels to help the kidneys retain salt, driving insulin resistance. The real problem isn't sodium. It's the chloride and the lack of potassium. Table salt is processed, sodium chloride plus bleach and anti-caking agents. Real salt contains sodium plus magnesium, potassium, and dozens of other minerals. The salt fix. If you have healthy kidneys, throw away the white table salt. Use colored salt liberally and eat potassium-rich foods like avocado, potatoes, and meat. Your body needs balance.